Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners. This is a follow-up video to yesterday's on Bitcoin. One of the things I mentioned was that we were going to be watching for a divergence setup. I actually had an RSI on the screen yesterday and mentioned we had this candle with the long tail. Then we got a recovery candle and said we were either going to watch for a 50% retracement of that or a divergence setup. Here's what a divergence setup looks like. So we had this key low, and on my charts it was at the 10 o'clock bar on the 9th, and then at the 1800 bar on the 9th we formed a lower low, but the RSI formed a higher low, and then we got the turn up. We always wait for a turn back up. That's a classic divergence setup entry, and then you see it rallied from there. This also did trigger a sloppy double bottom, and it's not the highest probability one, but it can be used for raising stops or taking profits in conjunction with this divergence setup. So let me just go through those levels. The first key level you should be watching for is about 15,699 to 15,771. It's a range because we have a prior GAN level in there, and then the stop reduction for the double is 15,771. So that's an area that can be used to raise stops if you were back in on this rotation back up. Then the next key areas are the 16,127 to 16,231, and then 16,692. We also just got the first cross of the rotation zone. So this is a classic double cross pattern. When it pulls in on the higher time frame to the rotation zone, on a lower time frame like the 4 hour, you get the double cross. We use this double cross pattern. So then you can also watch for pullbacks back into this, and I'll show you what we mean. We got the pullback into the rotation zone again on the daily, coming really nice down to the 37.5% GAN level. So here's that 37.5% GAN level. Last time it tested the 50% GAN level on the move from the low on the 30th to the high on the 8th. This was from the low on the 11th to the high on the 8th. And so we were looking for cluster areas. So we had a nice little cluster area. Top end was hit on the first retracement, bottom end was hit on the second retracement. Now it's rotating back up, and that also triggered the divergence entry setup. So hope you can use some of this information with your own trading. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll keep the videos coming to help you successfully trade the cryptocurrencies. That's all we have for you right now. Bye for now.